Welcome back, student. In this video we are going to understand about citation and bibliography. Citation is a quote if you have taken it from any other authors or the books, then you can use the citation in order to give the credit to that book or the author. So before that you need to create the profile of an author. So how to do that? You need to go to references, click on manage sources. Here you need to click on new, and then you need to give the author information. First of all, you need to give the name. Let's say I'm giving my name. Then whether it's a corporate author or not, you can checkbox it. I'm not giving that. Title is not the author title, it's the book title. So let's say I've written a book that is Modern Cinema. Then year, the year of book publication, so 2002. City, I'm mentioning in Delhi. And then the publisher, so I'm giving, let's say, RRR. I've given OK. So that author detail has been saved. I'm creating another author details, new. Right now I'm giving, let's say, Sunil. And the title of the book I'm typing classic cinema. Year it is going to be 2010, let's say. City I'm mentioning Noida, and publisher I'm giving RER. Click on OK. Another author details has been saved. Click on close. Now how to use it? Let's say from here till here this line is from some book, so there is no way that it will be highlighted. What I mean to say, let's say I have set my cursor over here and I want to say that this line is from this book, so it's coming here, but it's not showing that from which area to which area. So I made a selection of this and converting this into italic, so that will serve the purpose. Similarly, I am coming here and let's say this particular line is from another book, so doing the selection, giving this. Now you need to go to the end of the document, and if you want to give the credit to those authors and books, then you need to go to bibliography, select the type of built-in bibliography cited that you are looking for. Let's say I'm going for this one, work cited, and there it is. It's mentioning that these authors, this book's reference has been there in this document as well, so you are giving the credit. This is how citation and bibliography work. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.